Let's talk about how to take care of your Norwex claws. These claws work hard for you cleaning your home, and I want them to work for you for many years to come. So here I have the Enviro cloth. We call it the everything cloth because you're going to clean virtually everything in your home. And as you go around, you don't need to launder it every single time. So first of all, between cleaning jobs, as you notice it's starting to get a little dirty, just simply come over to the sink under running water, friction the fibers against themselves, flip, friction. And you can use a drop of dishwashing liquid if you want, just make sure to rinse it out well. Then wring it out tight and hang it to dry in a well-ventilated area, like maybe over the oven handle or the dishwasher handle. Likewise, as you're using the dusting mitt, you don't need to launder it every single time. That's what the rubber brush is for. Take the rubber brush, get the dust bunnies into the garbage, recharge those fibers, and keep going. But they are cleaning cloths and they do need to be laundered from time to time. We launder ours about once a week. So let me give you the easy rules. Number one, no fabric softener or dryer sheets. Those are full of chemicals that coat the fibers, coat the microfiber, and you're not going to be happy with how effective your cloth is. Number two, no bleach. Number three, no linty loads. So don't wash them with like terry towels. Now, many of us ask, can I use my regular laundry detergent? Now that depends on what your regular laundry detergent is. If it is a typical top-selling detergent, what I have found is they are very full of fillers and fragrance. This is a powder high efficiency, and you can see all the gunk in there. It's been in there almost 10 years and it's not going anywhere. High efficiency pod, high efficiency liquid. I do not recommend those for your cloths. They will clog and coat the fibers. I recommend an eco-friendly detergent with no fillers and no fragrance, but that is a powerful cleaner, and I have two for you to choose from. Norwex has liquid or powder laundry detergent. Their liquid is an enzyme-based formula, and we find that we need about 2 pumps in a high efficiency and about 3 in a regular washer, depending on your water. Or we have our powder detergent, and we use this at our house, and we only use about 1 teaspoon per load. And mind you, that's keeping up with 4 boys, and there's no such thing as a small load at our house. So the label tells you to use more, but we really find that 1 teaspoon in high efficiency, and most of my customers find just a scoop in a regular non-high efficiency works perfectly. Now, your cloths work hard, and I do recommend about every 6 to 12 months that you give them a deep clean. Super easy with the Norwex microfiber cleaner laundry booster. Now you can also use this to boost any laundry load that might be extra dirty. Here's what you do. Fill a bowl or sink with hot water. Take 1 scoop of your laundry booster, put it in there. Let it dissolve, put in your cloths, let them soak about 30 minutes, and then launder as usual. Or you can rinse them out well and begin using them. Your choice on that. Many of us are very attached to dryer sheets and fabric softeners. So my challenge to you is, if you are still using those products, please research the ingredients in them. I don't think you're going to want those things against your skin 24/7. So the solution is to A, switch over to a laundry detergent without the fillers, because you're going to find that your clothes already feel softer and have less static that way. Then I recommend finding a set of dryer balls, and Norwex has 2 options, wool dryer balls or green dryer balls. Pick whichever one is your favorite. They lift and separate the clothes. I think that clothes are less wrinkled, which is an extra bonus. The dry time is shortened by about 20 to 30%, so you do want to decrease your dry time. A question that I get is about static. Now, a couple things. Static almost always happens in synthetic fibers, and the reason it is they dry very fast compared to the natural fibers. So do decrease your dry time, decrease your dryer heat, especially on those synthetic loads, and we separate out and wash our synthetics in a load all to themselves, apart from those natural fibers that take longer to dry, and we found that that has pretty much eliminated any static problems. So I hope this gives you a great start in taking awesome care of your Norwex cloths. If you have questions, be sure to connect with your Norwex consultant, or if you're looking for a Norwex consultant to help you get started on your journey, I would be delighted to connect with you. Happy Norwexing!